Guys, I'm with a metal ceiling. Well, here with a metal ceiling fan. This fan may look fine, actually. It is not. I just like it. Came from home. I haven't cleaned the mess from the last destruction up. I got full of this in the dump. And so if someone tries to go save that Huntington model, I will go over there and I'll steal that back. But anyway, oh yeah, 2 fans. They're in the dump. It's 2 worst ceiling fans. Yes, it's so stupid. So yeah, this one should be easy to break. I'm going to be jumping into it. So yeah, let's go. Wait a minute, I'm going back down for now. Great. I won't be able to kick this one. Good. Ah, Jesus. Good. Headbutt. It's really fast. It's really fast. Wait, that's only Oh yeah, it's bug a full turbo burn. Man, you know what? See? Whoa. What? I don't got this blade. You know what? There's 2 of these, and the other one's in a better shape. Also, why it's better is because this one's missing a switch cap, and the wires are all messed up. Please look. So I have it on high. It goes off and back to high. It's supposed to go high, medium, low, off. So yeah. Oh yeah, I've been waiting to use this for a long time. I'm gonna bomb it. I'm gonna bomb the freaking fan. You know what? God. Oh, it's going. See that going when you have it attached. That did nothing? Oh, it did break the blade off. Well, it was a mini one. I'm gonna put a landmine with it. Ready, guys? Oh my god! The fan's on fire. The fan's on fire. Alright, another one. And 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 another one. Yep. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. I got a new table, by the way.